What's going on, guys? So it might make some of y'all sad, but I think the snowflakes are going to a new home tomorrow. But I've seen a lot of y'all in the comments saying you wanted to see them on the Tundra. So quickly today, before I get rid of them, we're gonna slap them on Terry, see what they look like. They're probably gonna look super massive, especially compared to on the Trail Boss where they look kind of normal, even a little small because that truck is so large. But on Terry, they're gonna look huge. So I'm kind of excited to see what they look like. It's been, I think, a week or two, so she should be pretty rowdy. So yeah, they're probably gonna look absolutely massive on here. We do have to run the 2-inch spacers, so they're probably gonna sit about the same as the 12 wides, but a lot taller. And if we're being honest, Terry's probably not gonna turn with these things, but it should look sick. Y'all guys that wanted the Tundra on 24s, let's do it. Didn't get the 2-inch. We got 1.5. I don't know why I was thinking that. We got 1.5-inch wheel spacers, not 2-inch. All right, we ran into our first issue. So the upper control arm is hitting the tire even with the 1.5-inch spacer. So you definitely would have to run at least a 2-inch spacer on your Tundra if you want to run reps. 1.5 is not gonna cut it unless you maybe have some, where's my phone? Some different upper control arms. Let me show y'all. So yeah, there's just no way it's not gonna work. So what I'm gonna do for temporary, if I can find them, where's my other little, these guys, what I've been using on the Trail Boss with the snowflakes, I'm gonna double up, put 2 of these, so this will put it out another 1/2 inch. So this should be 2 because that's a 1.5-inch spacer on there now. This is 1/2 inch, so that should put it at a 2-inch. It should clear that. One way to find out. So I'm gonna pull it back off and we'll see.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
All right, guys, well, there she is. Definitely comment down below and let me know what you think about the Tundra with the snowflakes on here. There was a lot of y'all in the comments saying you wanted to see this setup, so I had to make it happen. Personally, if I'm being honest, I'm not crazy about it. Not sure why, because I absolutely love reps on Larry, which is a very similar truck, but I don't absolutely love them on here. It looks a little bit awkward, maybe because this truck is so smaller. They just look really too big on here. I don't know, man. I mean, it looks good at different angles. Like here from the front, it's got that real tall look. The truck is much taller with the 35s, obviously. I like this. It's got the 1250. It's super aggressive. I do like that. But if we come, I think it's the rear. For whatever reason, the rear just looks awkward. Well, I have to admit, after looking back at the footage of it driving, it looks much, much better rolling. And I did enjoy looking at it when it was rolling. I need a cameraman. I mean, every truck I have would look so much better in videos if I had someone filming an external view rather than just being on the tripod. But I guess it is what it is. But yeah, I have to admit, looks much better rolling. Even right here in this shorter grass, I think it looks much better than down there where I had it. Maybe that was just a bad location, I don't know, but I still don't absolutely love it from the side, but at certain angles it does look really good. Might as well show you all the rubbing issues since I got it turned. So yeah, definitely gonna be into the black part and into the bottom part of the metal bumper. It won't even turn past this, like I had it just sitting still. Turn it, oh yeah. You're gonna have to cut all of that out to get any more turn than this. And this is honestly not very drivable right here. So yeah, before you go getting your reps and whatnot, you're probably gonna have to have a 6-inch lift or do a lot of cutting. Since we got the 12 wides off, I feel like it's only right that we clean them up because we abused them the other day, I ain't gonna lie. Man, the ballistics have been there through it all. They've been good to me and I'm out here treating them like garbage. And I kind of feel bad about it, but at the same time, I honestly don't. But I do want to clean them up. This is the back side of them, obviously, and they are horrible looking. So before we take the 24s off the Tundra and put these back on, let's go ahead and give them a cleaning. Why do I say weird things? Y'all don't know how many times I restart filming. Good gosh, I cannot speak. There we go, the back of the wheels cleaned up really good. Look at this. We definitely slid off on a rock while we were off-roading. Nice little chunk out of that one. And just like that, they are all cleaned up. Looking good while they're wet. They're probably gonna have a bazillion like swirl marks and little scratches and stuff in them from being in the mud, spinning and stuff. Yeah, you can already kind of see them. But these are the OGs. Like I said, I'm probably never gonna sell them because I really can't get anything for them. I mean, I could get something, but for whatever reason, it's like I have a piece of baby squat with me still. If I have these, which is really weird to even think like that, but for whatever reason, I really just don't want to get rid of these, so. Oh well. We definitely got some battle scars from doing the mudding with the 12 wides, but honestly, I think these look a lot better on Terry than the reps, even though the reps were starting to grow on me. I only had them on here for like 30 minutes, so I had to do it like super fast before taking them back off, but I think these look much better. Also saw in the Tundra group on Facebook, someone wrapped their hood and roof where the clear coat was failing. This doesn't feel like wrap would stick to it, but let me know if you've ever done that, because I'd definitely be down to wrap this black, gloss or matte, one of the two. I think that would make Terry look much better. And we've got some goodie boxes for Terry as well, so going to be doing some installs here shortly to make it look better and perform better as well. So I'm excited for that. If you're enjoying the Tundra content, definitely leave a like and subscribe because there's plenty more to come. And with that being said, me and Huey out of here. We'll see y'all in the next one.